Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 Ferrari Premium Motorhome is a proposed fusion of custom recreational lifestyle and high-performance car engineering. In the form factor of a luxury motorhome, this hypothetical vehicle would perfectly capture Ferrari's design philosophy, which is distinguished by dynamic lines, aerodynamic efficiency, and an unmistakable atmosphere of exclusivity. Ferrari's current Grand Tourers and possibly even their emerging SUV design language would serve as inspiration for the outside style. For a car of its class, anticipate a low-slung profile with carefully sculpted surfaces meant to maximize airflow and visual drama. The motorhome's architecture would effortlessly incorporate iconic Ferrari design features, including a purposeful attitude, large air intakes, however useful for a vehicle of this scale, and distinctive lighting signatures. Despite the inherent limitations of a larger vehicle, maintaining a favorable power-to-weight ratio would require the use of lightweight yet highly durable materials, maybe including carbon fiber components. Ferrari's dedication to performance would surely be reflected in the motorhome's powertrain. A very advanced hybrid system, possibly utilizing technology from their Formula One undertakings or their road-going hybrid supercars, would be a viable alternative to a direct transplant of a V12 or even a V8 engine, which might not be feasible for a vehicle of this size and purpose. This would provide an alluring combination of powerful performance for highway driving and effective electric-only operation for navigating in tighter areas. The chassis would be designed with a sophisticated suspension system, probably electronically controlled and adaptive, to offer a dynamic and elegant driving experience that is unusual for a car of this kind. The 2026 Ferrari Premium Motorhome's interior would be a haven of custom luxury and cutting-edge technology. An atmosphere of unmatched luxury and sophistication would be created by hand-stitched quality leather, finely made wood or carbon fiber accents, and ergonomically engineered chairs. The living area would be carefully designed to maximize both practicality and visual appeal. Modern infotainment systems that are smoothly incorporated with the car's controls would offer a wide range of entertainment and connectivity choices. The home experience would be further improved with a gourmet kitchenette furnished with top-notch appliances and an opulent sleeping room. Beyond the material components, a 2026 Ferrari Premium Motorhome's ownership experience would be inextricably linked to the brand's history of exclusivity and individualized care. A key component of the product would be bespoke customization choices, which would enable customers to modify every element of the car to suit their own tastes. The ownership experience would be further elevated beyond simple lodging and transportation with access to exclusive events and a specialized service network. To sum up, the 2026 Ferrari Premium Motorhome concept is a daring and ambitious project that aims to push the limits of opulent recreational automobiles. A discerning customer looking for an unmatched combination of automotive passion and mobile elegance would be served by this hypothetical car, which would flawlessly mix Ferrari's classic design language, state-of-the-art performance technology, and uncompromising devotion to bespoke craftsmanship.